How to reduce blue light and make your iPhone screen easier on the eyes. Night shift is a great feature to use. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn it on and customize its settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Next, tap Night Shift. Here, you can manually enable the feature by tapping Manually Enable Until Tomorrow. You can also schedule night shift to turn on automatically. Tap Scheduled, then choose the time range you want. Many people set it to activate in the evening and turn off in the morning. But this option does not show on my device. You can do it on yours. Below that, you'll see a color temperature slider. Move it toward more warm for a warmer screen tone, or toward less warm for a cooler appearance. Another quick way to access Night Shift is through the Control Center. Open Control Center, press and hold the brightness slider, then tap Night Shift to turn it on or off instantly. And that's it! Night Shift is now enabled on your iPhone and can help reduce eye strain, especially when using your device at night. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.